Well, how you guys doing today? And welcome back to another video. So in today's video, got something. Okay, so as many of you guys not know, this is not the things you saw in my old previous unboxing. So like Fireline devices, Lego sets, anything like that. I never actually bought a Lego set out of Amazon. I have bought other things. I just cut out myself and just opened it up. This one, I have decided to go ahead and keep it sealed into the box. I have the address to my house on the other side. I'm not going to show that to you guys. I don't want you all coming over and get all crazy and all that. No. But in today's video, we are going to be unboxing my first ever hat. Now, what kind of hat is it? Well, it's a hat to rail fan with. So, let's go ahead and open it up. It's been about almost 2 weeks since I purchased this hat. I actually got this hat 2 weeks, like not last Friday, but the Friday before that. And it's hard to open up, I'll say that right now. Alright, here we go. I've been waiting for this hat for a long time. Woo, there it is. Yes, it's the one I wanted too. Okay, so take out this bag, and here we go. Yep, it's a Norfolk Southern hat. Oh, so fresh. So I got this from Amazon. Pretty good deal. Now, from all of the other hats I've seen on websites like the Norfolk Southern Company store, they're ranging from $14.40, $14.10, I think $6.80 or something like that. Shipping, handling's a lot. The total is way over any amount. It's like over $30 or so. So yeah. So here it is. I am officially a Norfolk Southern rail fanner. So there it is. This is the hat I've been wanting. Well, I actually was able to buy it because when we went to my local Walgreens and they actually had gift cards for Amazon, so I'm like, yes, I can get the hat. Because I wanted one for Christmas, and my dad was able to get it to me, and because we had been, well, a lot of stuff has been happening, so we're all good. So, and I'm not mad at him for not getting me the hat I want, because it was a Norfolk Southern flag mesh back hat. It had like a flag on like the back side of it, and yeah. So, so yeah, that's that. So I'll be wearing this during rail fanning, um, and yeah. So if you guys don't know what Norfolk Southern is, it's a train company that can run through many states. So like Florida, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. Um, I don't know where else. Just like on the east side of the U.S. So there's not a whole lot of the line running through the whole United States. So I mean, if you want to speak of that, we'll speak of CSX, BNSF, Union Pacific, Amtrak. Um, yeah. So Conrail is not a thing anymore. Santa Fe isn't a thing anymore. You know. LNN. I actually, no, I think they might still have some elsewhere, but not around this general area. So yeah. So I only know so far 3 Norfolk Southern lines. So there's a Louisville line. Um, the Youngstown Yard is actually in Louisville. So it runs from there through New Albany, Georgetown, and then it goes all the way west towards Princeton. So that's on the western side, almost towards the western side of Indiana. And then there's the the Norfolk Southern Marion branch that runs from Goshen to Marion, and then there's the Chicago line that runs from Cleveland, Ohio to um, Chicago, Illinois. So yeah, that is gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, always make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out, and have a great day.